Here's another very unique axe in my collection. These ones are about $100 each. Hatchets, as you can see, you could use it like one of these tools, maybe like break ice up, or you can fold it this way, use it as a hatchet. Just very unique, kind of bulky over here, but the reason it's this way, so that way it hides away. You see, hides the blade, that's why it's this way. It's totally usable. It's pretty hefty, made out of all metal. The Porto axe, that's the name of it. That's cool. Made in USA. These ones are not super rare. Even when they do pop up on eBay, they sell for about $100. That's it. But they sell out fast, and it takes a while for them to list another one. So yeah, super unique. Another very interesting axe in my collection. Wouldn't even think this is an axe, but it's a folding axe. You see, there's a push button, and it locks in into here. That's it. Boom. Very easy. Love it.